How to send money from PayPal to Cash App for free. To send money from PayPal to Cash App for free, you may follow up this process. So in the PayPal application, first of all, open it up and you can go ahead and tap on your PayPal balance, tap transfer, and here you can select the option to transfer to bank from the given menu. Now, what you can do is you can select the second option, which is standard transfer 1 to 3 days option, as instant transfer usually incur a fee. So when you select the second option, the standard transfer, you won't be having any fee and you can do the transfer for free. So you can just go ahead and enter the amount and tap on transfer. Once it is done, you will be finding a notification saying that this much amount is on its way. Now you can open up the Cash app, and once you are here, you can just go ahead and go to your Money tab here, and here tap on Add Cash. Now here you may just head over and select the amount that you would like to transfer. So just go ahead and add it up. I mean the same amount that you added from PayPal. And once it is confirmed, you can tap on Add, and that way you have added the money from PayPal to Cash App for free. So that is it for today's video. If you'd like to send money from PayPal to Cash App for free, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.